So here we have a very sturdy, fantastic looking and working pergola, and this is from Yardistry. So this is actually a pretty big project that you could easily handle yourself, and with some helping hands will make it go even better. This definitely has the feel of a custom made pergola and doesn't really look like a kit. Very well laid out, very clear instructions. Assembly, it comes ready to assemble with all the wood hardware and metal components. All wood hardware is included. Premium corner design with wooden balusters, and it's designed to be flat surface mounted. So designed into the pergola is a bar and shelf that expands your entertainment needs. It has a removable snap-on sunshade made from PVS coated breathable fabric, so you can enjoy the sun and shade for the hotter days. And it has a finish in timber gray wood stain. It's 100% natural cedar limber finished in a timber gray stained. The interior dimensions are 11 feet 6 inches and a half by 7 feet 6 inches and a half. It can accommodate most outdoor furniture sets. The step-by-step instructions, and it also has helpful video hints that will guide you through every step of the installation process. Now, this is a DIY special, and you get a lot of screws and bolts, but take it one step at a time. It may take a full day, it may take a couple of days with a couple of helping hands. It's very possible it can be done. So the shipping weight is 500 plus pounds, so you know this isn't just gonna fly away like a weak umbrella that got left open on a windy day. This really provides a custom, sturdy shelter where you could hang lights, you could have a barbecue under there, a patio furniture table, lounge chairs, pretty much anything you could think of in your outdoor living space. And it has a beautiful custom made look, and you will not be disappointed.